Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Visionary Global Consultancy. So friends, in this video we will discuss in details about the Gates Scholarship for undergraduate students in USA. This is fully funded scholarship for bachelor's students. We will discuss in details. Before discussing in details, I request you as always, if you are new on my YouTube channel, do like this video, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and click bell icon as you can easily receive all upcoming videos. So let's discuss in details. Here I have opened the Gates Scholarship, United States of America. This is fully funded scholarship. This scholarship announced on July 15th, 2022. The deadline for this scholarship is 15th of September 2022. 13 days are remaining to apply. The list of finalists will be displayed between December to January. In the selection process, you will receive your selection emails in April 2023, and this scholarship award will be given to the students between July to September 2023. First, the description about this scholarship. The Gates Scholarship is highly selective lost dollar scholarship for outstanding minority high school seniors from low income households. Each year, the scholarship is awarded to exceptional student leaders with the intent of helping them realize their maximum potential. If you are from low background, then you are eligible to apply for this scholarship program. Award of this scholarship is scholars will receive funding for all the full cost attendance that is not already covered by other financial aid and the expected family contribution as determined by the free application for federal students aid or the methodology used by a scholars college or university. All your expenses will be covered by this scholarship. As you can see here, cost of attendance includes tuition fees, room, board, books and transportation, and may include other personal costs as well. So this is fully funded scholarship. Even the students will get monthly stipend. The eligibility criteria to apply for this scholarship, students must be a high school seniors. You should have FSC or intermediate degrees and transcripts from at least one of the following ethnicities: Africans, Americans, Indians, Asians and Pacific Island American. So the students from Asia, for example India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, also eligible for apply this scholarship. In good academic standings with a minimum cumulative GPA of 3.3 on a 4 scale or equivalent. You should have approximately 75 to 80% to be eligible for this scholarship, because 3.3 out of 4 CGPA is approximately 75 to 80%. Additionally, a student must plan to enroll full-time in a 4-year degree program. You should have to enroll for your bachelor's degree, as I told you that on FSC level you have to apply for this scholarship program. The ideal candidates for this scholarship program: an outstanding academic record in high schools, in the top 10% of his or her graduating classes, demonstrated leadership ability as shown through participation in community services, extracurricular or other activities. exceptional personal success skills, emotional maturity, motivation, etc. So all these skills and qualities you should have, then you are eligible to apply for this scholarship. For example, you should have skills, team leading skills, and all other academic outstanding activities skills, demonstrated leadership ability as well. So these all are the requirements and details about this scholarship program. Now how to apply? Here you can see in red icon, apply now. When you will click here, then this portal of the GATE scholarship will be open, and you have to register. First you register yourself, your first name, last name, date of birth, your profile, your email address and password. Then you have, after creating account, you have to apply online and upload all your required documents online. So these are the details about this scholarship program. Further, if you have any question, you can ask in comment box, or you can contact me directly on given Telegram link. So this is all about today. See you soon in next video. Take care and bye.